are engaged in official capacities. We don't dispute that. I read in social media, which I'm trying to keep abreast with. It is too fast for me. But I read in the social media that this minister chose to go to fine destinations overseas, dining in fine restaurants, using calamari, I do not know what calamari is, and fine wine called Cavelia, with what some of the things that even as a member, I'm not able to pronounce. Now, Mr. Speaker, this is the point, that you choose to prioritize your engagement, official engagement, when issues which should have demanded your presence, official presence, because all the responses he has been given is that that his personnel were with him, there was a PS, there was all this, including Her Excellency, the Second Lady. The point is, why as CS, wouldn't he found it necessary to be there himself, where children are concerned, where people able differently are concerned? Mr. Chair, thank you.
Let's take one more. Wanjiku, you are the cause of all this. Try and ask one supplementary at a time.
Yes, thank you, Honorable Speaker. I am more sad because here we are discussing of people with special needs. And Honorable Speaker, when you speak in a house like this, where I believe even Special Olympics International is watching and putting the facts contrary to the facts, is a bit disheartening. Honorable Speaker, one, the Cabinet Secretary have said he provided even money for accommodation. Far from the truth. Special Olympics are special in nature. Once